Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday night, June the 12th, and these are the charts of the day. Big day on Wall Street today. Late surge broke the indices back out again. We may have the beginning of a summer rally, but we'll have to see. In any case, some stocks that acted very well today and had important moves included A1, which announced some new technology, took out two layers of resistance and a declining top sign and closed above all three. There's another layer just above here that could create some resistance around $1.70, which was my secondary target today. I suspect we get through that and run up near 2.5 short term to test this line right there. ARNA, spectacular looking pattern. This 3-4 week coil broke today on a surge yesterday, and then again today up another 81 cents or 11.5%. 37.8 million shares, the biggest volume since back here, and that is an indication to me that we may, if we get up or gap tomorrow and get across 8, this stock could run to 10, 11 very quickly. AUXL, another junior biotech stock acting well. As you can see, the stock broke out of this declining channel through March, April, and May, pop, pull back, and then exploded through the January, March highs, and then pull back to test. Today it spiked up $1.40 or 6.5% on 1.6 million, and it'll be on its way to test the 24.5 area short term. Beyond that, I could see the stock making a run at the highs up in the 28 area. Dunkin' Donuts continues to act well and look well. HP likes the pattern that's developed, and we're now in a rising channel. The wedge recently was taken out. Today the stock was up 59 cents, a little under 2%, but decent volume of 1.3 million. I'm expecting it to slowly move higher, get into the high 30s. Dunkin' at 33.70. ECYT moved up 38 cents or 5.5% today. Volume increased a little bit, not much, but I need to see more volume. What I like about this stock is that we took out this multi-week declining channel and are starting to edge higher nearly every day. Notice how that line here is holding the lows each session. We get up and through the 7.5, 3/4 level, this could accelerate to the 9-10 zone. First Solar had a spectacular day today. We traded it and did very well with it, but the key to today's action, 21.5 million shares, the biggest volume this year, and a breakout across the major declining tops line and lateral price resistance right at the close there. Now if we can extend, my next target's up around 17 and then 19.5. GV, well, this stock has acted fantastic this year ever since the March breakout. It's stair-stepped its way higher with a flag and coil, and today up another 3 cents, just 1.5%, but you can see how it continues to edge higher and looks higher to me. KORS, KRS, nice snapback today. We traded this one as well. It was a nice little scalp at the end of the day. You can see how there's resistance right up in this zone here. Let me pull that back for you. And it backed off of that high at the end of the day today. But if it does get to 42 3/4, I'm looking for 45 and then 49. Nuvasiv up against key resistance now for a week now. It's been consolidating, flagging in here. I suspect we get to the 21.0710 zone and then move up into the 24 area. That's a swing trade of ours currently underway. OMER, spectacular move the last 2 sessions ever since the breakout a couple days ago and a stall day yesterday. Today it moved nicely up another 86 cents or 7%. Volume was solid for that stock at 308,000. But if we do get more volume, I'm expecting a move up into the high teens on this one. OSIR, large base, breakout, pullback retest, pop to new highs, and backing and filling in the coiling or wedging type pattern. If we get a little pop above here and out of here, I'm looking for 8.15 and then 9.5 3/4. Questcore had a big day today. Let's step back and look at this one. After running up into the late October, November period last year, the stock has basically come down, backed up and backed and fell. Trading in a range between 33 and 44, but today it popped 329 or 7% on 3.5 million. And broke out above this zone to close it very nicely. If I step back and look at the major channel, at this point, I'd have to say I'm looking for a stock that could fly here, maybe get this stock into the 60s and 70s, and I'll issue a buy if I see any pullback tomorrow on a swing trade. SKX also broke out. I should have put a swing trade on that one. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave corrective move, which held near the rising 50-day moving average, and now may have set up a rising channel with the target up in the 22, 23 area. TripAdvisors also did well today, broke out of a wedge with a little pop at 208 or almost 5%. 2.1 million traded. Looks like the stock is headed to the top of the channel near 50. That's my short-term target. And that's it for today. Some good ideas for trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.